Say goodbye to snoring. Are you tired of hearing complaints about your snoring? Do you wake up feeling like you haven't slept a wink? Do you sleep beside someone who snores? The quality of sleep is compromised. It's irritating and annoying. It's time to help you and others with snoring issues. Today, we're sharing a guide to stopping snoring. Number 1. Shower before bedtime. Prior to going to bed, take a hot shower to assist open your nasal passages and ease breathing. To ensure that all the passageways are cleaned out by the steam, heat the water as much as you can. For even greater comfort, some professionals advise using a saltwater rinse in the shower to rinse your nose. Number 2. Elevate your head. Many professionals concur that elevating your head 4 inches can lessen snoring. Your tongue and your jaw are compelled to slide downwards rather than back into your throat in this position, which facilitates breathing. Add another pillow on the top of the one that you are currently using as a temporary fix. There are pillows made especially to maintain your head in the proper posture as you sleep if you start to feel better. Number 3. Avoid alcohol before bedtime. Alcohol consumption before bedtime causes your facial and neck muscles to relax. Breathing becomes difficult as a result of the relaxation, which also causes you to sleep longer. You're more prone to snore once you're fast asleep. Try drinking a glass of wine or beer at least an hour before going to bed if you really love doing so. Number 4. Use a humidifier. Snoring can be significantly decreased by maintaining a moist air in your bedroom. Dry air aggravates nasal and throat mucous membranes, which greatly increases your likelihood of snoring. A humidifier can help with breathing and reduce snoring. Number 5. Avoid smoking. Cigarette smoking will increase snoring issues. If you are living with smokers, there is a high possibility that you will snore because you are a secondhand smoker. Snoring is considered one of the minor causes of smoking. It makes sense that smoking could make you more likely to snore. Smoking may inflame the tissues that border the airway as well. This could result in edema, a mucus exudate known as postnasal drip, and constriction. The airflow may get more turbulent as the airway gets smaller. Unpleasant sound may result from air vibration caused by turbulent airflow. Number 6. Sleep on your side. Although many individuals find it difficult to sleep on their sides, if you can do so and have a comfortable night's sleep, it can significantly reduce snoring. Sleeping on your back causes your tongue to fall back into your throat, obstructing your airway and increasing the likelihood of snoring. By sleeping on your side, you can maintain a clear airway. Number 7. Don't overwork yourself. That you find when you're anxious or busy, you snore louder or more frequently. This is due to the fact that, like with alcohol, when you finally hit the bed at night, your body and mind are worn out, which forces you to fall asleep quickly. Snoring is much more likely to occur once you're deeply asleep. Try to avoid working long hours, exercising, or playing sports soon before bed. Number 8. Stay hydrated. Water consumption throughout the day, especially just before bed, might significantly lessen snoring. When you're dehydrated adequately, the secretion of your nose gets stickier, which increases your risk of snoring. When is enough water enough? According to the Institute of Medicine, healthy men and women should each drink 16 cups of water a day, including water from all foods and beverages. Number 9. Try throat exercises. The amount of time each day you spend doing throat exercises will have a big impact on how often you snore. Saying the vowels a, e, I, o aloud numerous times is one exercise. Another is to slide your tongue backwards for 3 minutes each day while placing the tip of your tongue under your top teeth. Additionally, you can lessen snoring by opening your mouth, shifting your jaw to the left and right, and holding each position for 30 seconds. Number 10. Get a mouth guard or night guard. Ask your doctor, consider getting a night guard if you've tried most of the simple solution on this list and your snoring hasn't decreased. These mouth guards have a similar appearance to those used by athletes. The position of your jaw while wearing the night guard encourages muscle relaxation. You can wear mouth guards or night guards to also protect your teeth from injury or from clenching or grinding. An FDA-approved oral device called an anti-snoring mouth guard can stop or considerably lessen snoring by repositioning the lower jaw as you sleep. By making this little modification, you can widen the back of your neck and clear a block or congested airways. When your throat is open, the airways are now clear, thus any air going through won't generate vibration any longer. Benefits of wearing a mouth guard. Maintaining jaw stability when your jaw is receding. Pushing or moving the jaw forward naturally will open the airway, gives you a nighttime tongue suppressor. This keeps your tongue from relaxing and sliding back into your throat, which would otherwise obstruct breathing. To ensure that the snoring mouth guard won't adversely influence the positioning of the teeth, a doctor's precise fitting is required. By following these tips, you can say goodbye to snoring and hello to a peaceful sleep. Have a good night.